Do you want to add a checkbox to your Excel spreadsheet, but you're not quite sure how? Let's take a look. Okay, I have a spreadsheet here that I need a checklist. So this is just a training document. So you'd replace task 1, task 2 with your tasks. And then I want a tick box in here. Now there's actually 2 ways to do this. One that is the official way, and the other one is the way that I actually use it all the time. So I'm going to show you the long way first. Stick with me, and I'll show you the short way just after. Now, the official way, you need to add a new tab to the top here. Okay, and you do that by clicking on the drop down at the end of this quick access toolbar, and you go down to More Commands. And in More Commands, you customize your ribbon. And in there, you have your tabs. I'm just going to hide all of them. You'll notice there is one tab that is not ticked, the Developer tab. That's the one that you want to tick. Then you go OK. Now it adds the Developer tab at the top. And then you can see there's information about recording macros, etc. In the Insert, you have Form and ActiveX controls. Okay. And you can see in there you've got an option button, you've got an option button here. Okay. So you can go through and both of them you do have checkboxes. That's it. ActiveX and checkboxes. So form control, and actually I don't know, I prefer the form control really. I'm just going to put that in here and I get this. And actually I can put my text beside it. I'm just going to get rid of that text. And there we go. And then when I click on it, it ticks or it ticks off. If you control and click or right mouse click and click it, you can then go into your format control and you've got some options here. I'm going to do the same with the ActiveX so you can see what that looks like. Again, I can just click and you can see it's, I mean, it looks nice, but yeah, depends which one you like. I prefer, as I said, the top one because it's just easier to use and it just ticks or unticks. Yeah. And you can copy and paste that and have it for the whole thing, but you've got to do it every single line. That's what I'm not happy about. So what I like to do is have a list, and I've got, I'm in a project where I'm currently looking at the permissions for our testers. So what I need to do is take the different roles we have for the software, and I want to say these are the ones. Now I could put yeses in, I'm not really happy about that. So what I do instead is I highlight where I'd like the ticks to be. And I go back to home. I change the font to Wingdings 2. So I go right to the bottom till I find Wingdings 2. Okay, doesn't really look like anything here, but then I can say, right, Alice, she's role 3. And what I do is I go put a capital letter P in, and it's a tick box, okay? So it's really easy. You just put your capital letter P's all over the place. I peed on my spreadsheet, that's it. That's an old British joke. I can't remember if it's in North America or not, but yeah, if I peed on the table, this is I peed on my spreadsheet because I've got peas everywhere. Okay, so there we go, and it looks nice. And then if I wanted to filter it, I could filter it. I can print it. It looks nice. You can have X's in there. Off the top of my head, I'm not sure what they are, but if I go that was insert symbol, and then haven't done this in a while. There we go, Wingdings 2. And then you can see, so it's Shift and O probably. Okay, now I'm just going to insert this one. That's it. And you can see it is the capital letter O. Okay, so Shift and O is the X, Shift and P is the tick, and that is within Wingdings. You saw within the insert symbol, you can have a box around it. That again, you just insert it the first time, and it tells you in the formula bar here what character it is, and you do have to be precise. So if I put a lowercase p, I don't quite get the same thing. Okay, so that just makes it a lot easier. If you have suggestions or questions, do put them into the comments. And if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel. Take care and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.